So next, what do we have to do? We have to add low lights, okay? So I didn't wash this brush, so I didn't get a bunch of water in it. So it still has a little yellow in it, and I'm gonna pull raw sienna and a touch of the Van Dyke brown, all right? Flatten out your brush, just a little, okay? This is the 1/2" flat brush. And so first I need to get a little bit of darkness up under here, okay? This would be shadowed right here, all right? Very light touch, very minimal paint. I'm gonna go right in where the loops are, pull some darkness through there, okay? We also have some like right up under this edge. I use my skinny part of my brush, you know, whenever I have to do a little bit less paint as I go onto the side of it, not the wide part, okay? I'm gonna pull this across here too. And I'm also gonna make like a line right there where I have, you know, there's gonna be a little bit of a division there, okay? Between the two boots. We'll put a heavier line later, but just a little bit of paint. We're gonna come back over this with some white highlights also, okay? Let me get a little bit of dark brown. I like to add black to it sometimes to get like an ashy color. And so what we'll do now is we're gonna go right along the edge of the boot with the thin part of your brush. So we do need a little bit of a line there, okay? Very little. And then we're gonna pull this around, get a little bit of a shadow in here. We need the shadow in here. So I'm gonna pull this in and lift off. Very little paint, very little pressure. Okay, just scuffing it. You don't want to be moving around a lot of paint. So I'm also going to go down the side of my tag. So I already have that there. I'll go here as well. Doesn't have to be perfect. All right, so we're adding a little bit of dimension. We'll have to come back and add some yellow in there again, okay? You're not done. I'm going to grab my raw sienna. I come down, a little bit of paint. You see, I'm hardly getting any. Okay, so I'm gonna go up under the sign here and come back around though. Always follow the shape of what you're working in. So I'm like U-ing that around that area, okay? So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna pull that and lift off. All right, and I'm gonna go to the bottom of the yellow part of the heel. I'm gonna pull out and lift off. All right. Also, I want you to like make this curve right here. We're gonna make like a little bit of a curve like this. And then we're going to add a little bit of shading down, you know, towards the bottom. All right, this is gonna look a little, you know, crazy initially, you know, with it's like almost looking like dirty. I think I need to get this out a little further. So how I correct that is then I go back with my yellow and a little bit of white and I can go over this. Look, everything's fixable. Look, I just moved that out. You're fine. So I put that in a little too far, I think. So it's fixable. So don't ever worry. Right? And especially if you let it dry just a little, okay? And you'll be good to go. So I'm gonna go back, get my raw sienna, all right? I'm gonna get a little bit more of a shadow in through here. And then I'm also gonna go on the other side of my, like it's on the bottom of that white stripe. I'm gonna get a little bit of a shadow, okay? We have to have highlights and lowlights, all right? So I'm going up here. Follow your shape. Do you see how I'm barely moving any paint? And this is true dry brushing right there, all right? Then I'll get like my dark brown, maybe a touch of black too, to get like right here where the tag is. We can do the whole tag. So that's there. And then I also want to get a little bit more darkness right under here. Okay. Let me take a look. I'm going to lean back, take a look. Okay, so then let's go on the bottom. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to the tip of my brush. It's a little dry. I'm gonna get black and the dark brown, all right? We're going to go around this part of the boot right here, where the seam meets that rubber part. We're gonna go here and bring it around. I'm gonna turn this so it's easier for me, okay? So this way my hand can easily go like right down along this line. And I'm not stretching like I was here, okay? So, and then I'm going to do the same like here. I'm gonna bring this right through here. Don't make a big, you know, oh, sorry about that. Don't make a big, bold line, all right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little raw sienna, going right above that, and I'm just lightly pulling it in. So I'm using the back of the brush, my angle's like this again, not like this, and I'm pulling it and I'm lifting it off as I come in here. So you don't want a thick, heavy line. If you get that, just wipe it off with your paint towel, okay? Wipe it off, you'll be okay. And so I'm gonna go right inside this toe also and get a little bit of darkness in there, just a tiny bit, not much. Okay. Also, then we're going to get a little of our dark brown again and maybe a touch of the black, not a lot. I need a little water, okay? And we're going to go like right in between these two. That's too much water. I had to wipe that off. Sorry about that. Right in between these two. If you need to use your round brush, you can. I like to use the edge of the flat brush where we can. Up here too, we need to add a little bit of a shadow here. We'll get around all those stripes with a filbert or a round brush afterwards. I'm gonna scuff a little bit of a shadow here. All right, and then also we're gonna go in here. This is dry brushing, so say you're using really heavy paint, you're like, oh, every time I'm like moving around a lot of paint. So what you want to do is start wiping your brush on your paint towel before you go to your canvas to make sure that you have very little paint. Like, look, that's like very, very little. Don't be afraid to create that contrast, okay? Like to add, you know, your dark colors in, because if it's too dark for you, we can always go add yellow and white again. And, you know, so you don't ever have to worry. Okay, so I want you to wipe off your brush, or if you have a dry brush, you can use a dry brush, because we're just gonna use white, all right? So I'm gonna use this dry brush. We'll just go to that. We want clean white, so I clean white on my other plate and I put it back in. I'm going to look for an area that I can just use this clean white. I have my 1/2-inch flat brush. All right, we're gonna add some highlights, all right? So here, very lightly, I'm gonna pull down. We'll be adding to this also. I'm gonna go right across here with the skinny part of my brush. This is where that thick white helps you also. I'm gonna pull across here. Okay, we're just gonna get some highlights in. I have some here. I might add some blue to that one. Okay. When you're up close to this though, it's gonna look weird to you. All right, this won't look right to you until, you know, you have it all in and you step away. Maybe leave the room, come back in, okay? So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go right on the inside of the yellow here, and pause and take your time, okay? Right on the inside of the yellow. And then I'm gonna go here on the toe, make a little curve, maybe like that. I'm going to put it like, I'm gonna make it like thicker chunks. So I want a little bit brighter, and then I want a softer one kind of right behind it. Okay. Make it a little bit brighter on the left side. Okay. I'm also gonna go in here. A little bit on that crease and maybe a little bit there. So how did I determine this, like where I want to put the highlights? I think where the light would be hitting, like where the creases would be a little bit darker, and where the areas would be sticking up a little bit more, the light would be bouncing off of them. But if you have a hard time determining that, you're painting something, you're like, I don't even know where to put the highlights at. What you do is you Google it, and you know, you can make sure it's out in sunlight or whatever your setting is, you know, so you a little bit right here, so you can see where the light would hit it if it was in a certain setting or the sun is coming down, you know, a certain way. So like Google it to get an idea, okay?